Hello and welcome to this Checkmate into chess puzzle. This one was created by W A Shinkman in 1876. You can see that black's in a bit of trouble with the rook and the white bishop lining up with it. It's white's turn and you can get a checkmate in two. If you move the rook to d3, black can push the pawn. You can then move the rook up to check the king. Black will be taken by the knight. You can move him for a checkmate in three, but not a checkmate in two. If you move the rook to d6, it can be taken with the knight, then checks the white king, which has to move. And it's going to take a lot of moves more to get a checkmate at this point. The bishop takes the rook on f5, the other rook can take back. Then the white rook can move to g2, black can push the pawn, and then move up and check the king, which gets blocked by the other rook, but then you can move in with the knight for a checkmate in four. Another checkmate in four is by checking with the knight twice, gets the king to move around a bit, can then take the second rook, and then a white rook can move over to checkmate the king in four. So the solution to this one is to move the rook to d4. If the pawn takes, the king can take the pawn to do a reveal checkmate in two. If black pushes the pawn, the king can move to d3 to do the reveal checkmate in two. Black tries to move the knight, the rook can move to d6 to checkmate the king. If the black moves rook to d8, the bishop can take the rook and f5 to checkmate the king. Please like and subscribe, it will really help out the channel, and I'll see you again soon.